Okay, in the previous video, we have created our brand new YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video, we are going to explore these options uh, inside the YouTube studio. Let's explore them one by one. The first option is dashboard. When you click on it, you will be into your dashboard. Currently, we don't have any video uploaded on YouTube. That's why it is showing blank. As you can see, zero subscriber watch time and top videos in the last 48 hours. Okay, so whenever you upload your video, you will be able to see its analytics, main dashboard analytics here. Okay, by clicking on this dashboard. And if you click on content, then all of your uploaded videos are visible here. Okay, so currently it is showing no video because we haven't upload any video on this channel. Okay, but all of your videos which you are going to upload or uploading here, it will display here. Okay, and the next to the content is analytics. This will show you each and everything of your YouTube channel, your videos and other important analytics. Okay, as you can see, this is called channel analytics, and it is very much important section in YouTube studio. The first is overview. This will give you the last 28 days performance of your YouTube channel. Your views will show up here and also here in this form of a graph. Okay, and here your watch time will be displayed and your subscribers, and same also here your subscriber will show up here and they are updating in real time. Okay, when you click on content next to the overview, this will display the video performance of your YouTube channel. Okay, currently it is showing blank because we haven't uploaded any video. And the next to the content is audience. This will show your returning viewers, unique viewers and subscribers. It is also showing the top region where your videos are most watched. Okay, and this will show you when your viewers are on YouTube, and this will show you the most estimated time on which your audience spend their time on YouTube. And you can also use this data to upload your videos and get more views. Definitely channel that your audience watches, this will shows your competitors channel your audience also watching. Okay, and watch time from subscribers. This analytics show how much watch times is calculated from your subscribers. Okay, and content your audience watch. It is showing that how much videos your audience watch in the last 7 days and which type of videos they are. Okay, this will show top geographies like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, United States and other regions where your videos are mostly watched. Okay, this will show age and gender, and this will show you subtitle languages. Okay, the next to the analytics is comment. There you can uh, see the comments posted by your viewers onto your videos. Okay, you can also reply them from here. Okay, you can manage held for review, uh, published. You can also use filter. Okay, in order to reply back to your subscriber. Okay, so this is also very much important option in YouTube studio. Subtitle, it is not very much important. So let's move on to the next, copyright. This will show you the copyrights that are affecting your YouTube channel. Okay, so if you used any existing content which are already present on YouTube, then YouTube will send you a copyright notification, and you will be able to see channel copyright from here. Okay, so explore it. And this is one of the most important and most view uh, option in YouTube Studio, which is called monetization tab. Okay, from here you can apply monetization, and we will discuss about it later on. Okay, and this is your channel customization. You can customize your channel, which we are going to discuss in the next video. Okay, and this is the audio library. From here you can use copyright free musics provided by YouTube, which you are able to use them into your videos. Okay, you can also download it from here. As you can see, you can click on download, then this will download into your system. And you can also listen it up here by clicking on this play button. You can also use sound effects and the start musics which you frequently use. You can also search music by using this filter option. Okay, by clicking on it, and you can also be able to search music by their you can say track. Let me show you. Click on mood, and this will also give you sub options. You can choose any of them. Let's say I am selecting calm and click on apply, then this will show you calm musics in mood category. Okay, so keep explore these options, and I hope to see you in the next video.